Student clients, welcome back to another edition of the NMS e-learning systems YouTube channel, brought to you by the DLA Guru.
The defense industry is changing. With the rapid advancements in technology, traditional methods of manufacturing and logistics are being redefined. This transformation is not just about new tools, but about a fundamental shift in how things are made and delivered. Additive manufacturing, also known as three-dimensional printing, is driving this change. This innovative process builds objects layer by layer, allowing for unprecedented precision and customization. It's a game changer for industries that rely on complex parts and rapid prototyping. The Navy is leading the way with this technology. By integrating 3D printing into their operations, they are able to produce parts that are not only more efficient, but also more reliable. This technology is being used to create everything from simple tools to complex machinery components. At the Naval Undersea Warfare Center Division in Keyport, Washington, a hub of innovation and technological advancement, the potential of additive manufacturing is being fully realized. The Marina Center is at the forefront of this revolution. This state-of-the-art facility is dedicated to exploring and expanding the capabilities of 3D printing technology. Here, engineers and technicians are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Marina Center is tackling a critical challenge, fixing the Navy's supply chain problems. By leveraging additive manufacturing, they're addressing issues that have plagued the military for years. Long lead times and obsolete parts are a constant headache for the military. Traditional supply chains can be slow and inflexible, often resulting in delays and increased costs. This is where 3D printing comes into play. Additive manufacturing offers a solution. By enabling the production of parts on-site and on demand, it reduces dependency on long and complex supply chains. This means that critical components can be produced quickly and efficiently, right where they're needed. It allows the Navy to make parts on demand, when and where they are needed. This flexibility is crucial in maintaining operational readiness and ensuring that missions can proceed without unnecessary delays. Want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest in defense logistics and technology? The landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to understanding and leveraging these advancements. Follow at the DLA Guru for more insights. Get the latest updates, news, and expert opinions on how technology is transforming the defense industry. Stay connected and stay informed. The Marina Center is home to cutting-edge three-dimensional printing technology. Powder bed fusion printers are a key part of their arsenal. These printers use lasers to fuse layers of metal or polymer powder together. The result is a highly precise three-dimensional object. This technology is a game-changer for the Navy. Imagine needing a replacement part for a torpedo, an unmanned underwater vehicle, or even a submarine. In the past, this would have meant lengthy delays and costly orders from manufacturers. With three-dimensional printing, these parts can be produced in-house, significantly reducing lead times and costs. Emergency repairs are a fact of life for the Navy. Ships are complex machines, and when they are out at sea, they are subjected to harsh conditions that can cause unexpected breakdowns. Whether it's a mechanical failure, an electrical issue, or damage from rough seas, the crew must be prepared to handle any situation that arises. A critical part breaking down at sea can sideline a ship for days or even weeks. This not only disrupts the mission, but also puts the crew at risk. The traditional method of dealing with such issues involves waiting for a replacement part to be delivered, which can be a lengthy and costly process. This is not only costly, but also impacts operational readiness. When a ship is out of commission, it can't perform its duties, which can have a ripple effect on the entire fleet's operations. The downtime can also affect the morale of the crew, who are eager to complete their mission and return home safely. The Marina Center is changing the game with on-demand manufacturing. Located at the forefront of naval innovation, the center is equipped with state-of-the-art 3D printing technology that allows for the rapid production of replacement parts. This capability is a game-changer for the Navy, as it significantly reduces the time and cost associated with traditional repair methods. Using three-dimensional printing, replacement parts can be created quickly, even while at sea. This means that instead of waiting for days or weeks for a part to be delivered, the crew can have a new part in a matter of hours. This technology not only speeds up the repair process, but also ensures that the parts are made to exact specifications, reducing the risk of further issues. This reduces downtime and keeps ships where they belong, on mission. By minimizing the time a ship is out of commission, the Navy can maintain its operational readiness and ensure that its fleet is always prepared to respond to any situation. The ability to quickly and efficiently repair ships at sea is a crucial advantage in maintaining naval superiority. Imagine a scenario where a critical pump fails on a destroyer. In the past, this would have meant a return to port for repairs, taking the ship out of action for an extended period. But with 3D printing technology, the crew can now address the issue on the spot. With three-dimensional printing, the crew can now manufacture a replacement part on board, avoiding a costly and time-consuming return to port. This not only saves time and money, but also ensures that the ship can continue its mission without interruption. The ability to produce parts on demand is a significant advancement in naval logistics. This capability is revolutionizing how the Navy maintains its fleet. By embracing cutting-edge technology, the Navy is ensuring that its ships are always ready for action, no matter where they are in the world. The future of naval operations is here, and it is being shaped by the innovative use of 3D printing technology. The Navy relies on a vast inventory of parts, some of which are no longer in production. These parts are essential for maintaining the fleet's operational readiness and ensuring that every ship, submarine, and aircraft can perform its mission effectively. However, as technology advances and older systems become obsolete, finding replacements for these outdated components becomes increasingly difficult. This is a major challenge, as sourcing these obsolete parts can be nearly impossible. The scarcity of these components can lead to extended downtimes, which in turn affects the overall readiness and efficiency of naval operations. Engineers and technicians often spend countless hours searching for these elusive parts, only to come up empty-handed. Reverse engineering offers a solution. By meticulously analyzing the design and functionality of an existing part, engineers can recreate it from scratch. This process involves detailed measurements, material analysis, and the creation of precise blueprints. Once the digital model is ready, it can be used to produce a new part that matches the original specifications. The Marina Center uses three-dimensional scanning and printing to breathe new life into these old parts. Advanced 3D scanners capture every detail of the original component, creating a highly accurate digital model. This model is then fed into a 3D printer, which constructs the new part layer by layer, using materials that match or even exceed the quality of the original. They can scan an existing part, create a digital model, and then print a replacement. This process not only ensures that the new part fits perfectly, but also allows for any necessary improvements or modifications to be made. The result is a component that is as good as, if not better than, the original. This is particularly useful for electronic components like circuit boards. These intricate parts are often the first to fail and can be the hardest to replace. With 3D printing technology, the Marina Center can produce custom circuit boards tailored to the specific needs of each system. Instead of scrapping an entire system due to one faulty board, the Marina Center can now simply print a new one. This capability drastically reduces waste and ensures that valuable equipment remains in service for as long as possible. This not only saves money, but also ensures that critical systems remain operational. By reducing the need for costly replacements and minimizing downtime, the Navy can maintain its readiness and continue to protect and serve with efficiency and reliability. The innovative work being done at the Marina Center is a testament to the power of technology and ingenuity in overcoming the challenges of maintaining an aging fleet. The Keyport Innovation Center, often referred to as KIC, is a testament to the Navy's commitment to additive manufacturing. This state-of-the-art facility serves as a hub for collaboration and experimentation. Personnel from across the Department of Defense come to KIC to learn about three-dimensional printing and to develop innovative solutions for their specific needs. KIC has been a breeding ground for success stories. For example, the center helped develop a three-dimensional printed solution for repairing damaged cables on submarines. They also created a process for manufacturing custom gaskets on demand. These are just two examples of how KIC is driving innovation and finding practical applications for additive manufacturing. Section 6. Empowering sailors on the front lines. The future of Navy maintenance is decentralized. Imagine a world where ships are no longer reliant on lengthy supply chains. Instead, they carry their own digital warehouses of parts. This is the vision behind the Navy's push for forward-deployed additive manufacturing. They are developing digital repositories of three-dimensional printable parts. These repositories will be accessible to ships at sea, allowing them to print what they need when they need it. This will be a game changer for maintaining readiness and reducing the reliance on traditional supply lines. Section 7. The future is digital. The Navy is integrating additive manufacturing throughout its operations. This technology is not just for research labs anymore. It is being deployed in naval shipyards and on board vessels. The goal is to make three-dimensional printing a standard part of Navy maintenance. This will require investment in training and infrastructure. However, the potential benefits are enormous. A fully integrated additive manufacturing capability will make the Navy more agile, more resilient, and more cost-effective. Section 8. Shaping the future of defense. The advancements in additive manufacturing at the Marina Center have significant implications for government contracting. As the Navy embraces on-demand manufacturing, it will fundamentally change how it procures parts and services. The Defense Logistics Agency, or DLA, is at the forefront of this shift. They are working closely with the Navy to adapt to this new reality. The future of defense contracting will involve more partnerships with companies that can provide three-dimensional printing services and expertise. Join the revolution. The revolution in naval supply chains is here. Additive manufacturing is transforming how the Navy maintains its fleet, from routine repairs to emergency situations. Stay informed about this exciting field. Follow at the DLA Guru for the latest updates on military logistics, three-dimensional printing, and other cutting-edge technologies. The future of defense is being written now, and you won't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future content designed to both empower and inspire you for success with the DLA.
Thanks again for watching, and for tuning in to this exciting announcement. I'm Parker Winslow, signing out.